Amazing.
Bold.
Sporty.
Quality.
Legendary.
We've invested $2.3 billion here in Chattanooga. We employ 3,800 people at this facility. We are surrounded by the employees who really bring their passion and bring their precision to bring this vehicle to life. For us, it is about showing up. It's not about showing off. So ladies and gentlemen, introducing the all-new Atlas Crossport. This is an absolute social utility vehicle, and it's built to get you to connect, not connect on a device, connect with society. It's big, it's bold, excuse the language, it's a little bit badass, and it's an American SUV. We want our vehicles to honestly become vehicles of change in and of themselves. It's not enough to make them, and it's not enough just to sell them. In order to bring this to life, we want to and we will recruit veterans with hiring our heroes.
I see Chattanooga taking a turn for the positive. Oh, I'm excited. I mean, more money, more jobs, great community. It's Volkswagen.